Every day, millions of people cross bridges, drive under power lines, and walk beneath towering buildings, trusting that they're safe. But have you ever wondered how we actually make sure these massive structures stay sound? The answer might be flying right above you. Meet infrastructure inspection drones, agile flying machines designed to assess the health and critical structures without putting human inspectors in dangerous positions. Instead of sending workers hundreds of feet into the air on cranes or suspending them from cables, drones equipped with high resolution cameras, thermal sensors, and even LiDAR scanners can quickly spot cracks, corrosion, or weak points. Some drones can detect issues invisible to the human eye, like overheating, electrical components, or microscopic fractures in wind turbine blades. And the best part? They can do all of this while the structure is still in use. No shutdowns required. In cities around the world, these drones are already being tested on bridges, skyscrapers, wind farms, and pipelines. Traditional inspections can take days, cost tens of thousands of dollars, and often require traffic closures or power outages. With drones, the same job can be completed in hours at a fraction of the cost, and without halting the flow of daily life. From remote coastal wind turbines to sprawling solar farms, inspection drones are proving that they are not just a gadget, they're an essential part of modern infrastructure maintenance. This is an example of STEM in action, blending robotics, engineering, and data analysis to solve real-world problems. The National STEM Honor Society celebrates innovations like this because they inspire the next generation of problem solvers. For students interested in drones, AI, structural engineering, or sustainability, this technology shows how STEM careers can directly impact safety and efficiency in our communities. So, next time you see a small drone hovering near a bridge or circling a tower, it might not be filming for fun. It could be protecting the very ground that you are standing on.